Welcome to the best picks. The best Flexvolt battery is probably one of the most revolutionary advancements in power tool technology, offering unmatched versatility and performance across a wide range of applications. Its innovative design and high-capacity cells deliver extended runtime, allowing you to tackle even the most demanding projects without interruption, and its compatibility with various tools makes it an indispensable asset for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This video will delve into the key features, benefits, and considerations to help you decide if this game-changing battery is the right choice for your needs. Number 5. DEWALT DCB606-2 batteries. Experience unmatched power and runtime with these premium DEWALT batteries. They provide the power of corded tools with the freedom of cordless operation. These batteries offer 4 times the runtime of the DCB2011.5A battery. Get more done on a single charge. It delivers 3 times the power of the DC9096-18V battery, tackling even the toughest jobs with ease. They are compatible with 20V max, 60V max, and 120V max tools, offering ultimate flexibility across your DEWALT system. These batteries feature durable construction with a single-piece cell holder for long-lasting performance. They're built to withstand the rigors of professional use. The convenient LED display keeps you informed about the remaining battery power, so you can always plan your work accordingly. What we like. It offers a powerful performance and long runtime. If you need extra power for your cordless tools and prefer a durable battery, this is a great option. Consider this if you need a reliable and long-lasting power source for your projects. What people say. Whether you need the 60 volts or only need 20, these batteries are great. They last for a long time between charges. My DEWALT chainsaw came with one 12A pack. I've also been using a 9A pack. When filling up my pickup truck with logs, would run out of battery power. I bought 2 more little 6A batteries and now I can fill the truck using the 4 different sized batteries. Very convenient. I purchased several non-DEWALT batteries from different companies because of cost. You get what you pay for really applies. Like all batteries, DEWALT batteries have a use life but it's noticeably longer than the others. Number 4. DEWALT Flexvolt Battery Kit. This kit gives you the power and versatility you need to tackle any job. It's compatible with all DEWALT 20V max and 60V max tools. It offers 4x the runtime of our 1.5A battery pack, keeping you working longer. The 60V max power provides unmatched performance for demanding tasks. Never be caught off guard. It features a convenient LED display that shows you exactly how much power is left. It's built with durable construction, including a single-piece cell holder, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. This starter kit includes one DCB1106 and one DCB606 battery, giving you everything you need to get started. It's the perfect addition to your DEWALT tool collection. It seamlessly integrates with your existing 20V max and 60V max DEWALT tools. Expand your system and maximize your efficiency. What we like. It's compatible with various tools and offers versatility. If you're looking for a flexible power solution that works with both 20V and 60V tools, this kit is perfect for you. It's a great choice if you need a convenient and versatile power source for your projects. What people say. Works really well for being a third-party accessory. It arrived well sealed. I open package and read instructions on how to charge my new battery. After indicating it was fully charged, I installed it on my new blower I had just bought from Amazon. My new blower operated for 2 to 3 minutes and just stopped working. Straight out of the box it would not charge. Battery will not get above 1 bar. Light flashes for about 5 seconds saying it is charging. Then, both lights go solid meaning it is fully charged. Number 3. DEWALT Flexvolt 12.0A battery. This is the new DEWALT Flexvolt battery, providing the power you need to get the job done. Its high capacity ensures maximum runtime for your tools. It boasts an impressive 12.0A capacity, giving you extended use on a single charge. Say goodbye to constantly swapping batteries. This battery is compatible with a wide range of DEWALT tools. It works seamlessly with 20V max *, 60V max *, and even 120V max * tools. It's compatible with all DEWALT 20V Max * chargers, making charging simple and convenient. Just plug it in and let it charge. A 3 LED fuel gauge keeps you informed of its charge level. Always know how much power you have left. It's designed to perform even in tough conditions, operating reliably in temperatures as low as 0 degrees Fahrenheit. It's ready for any job, anytime. What we like. It provides maximum runtime for demanding tasks. If you need the longest runtime possible for your tools, this is the best choice. Consider this if you work in cold climates or need a battery that performs well in low temperatures. What people say. Bought this battery for my cordless miter saw, and this battery runs the saw for long periods of time. Works great and gives much greater work time to my DEWALT electric power tools. I can now use the saw on and off all day long by installing a pair of these batteries. The 9Ah batteries were pretty good, but these are significantly better. With the extended run time, you don't need to carry as many batteries along either. Number 2. DEWALT 60V Max Flexvolt 9Ah Battery. This is the new DEWALT 60V Max Flexvolt 9Ah battery. It's packed with power and ready to tackle any job. It delivers 180 watt-hours of energy, providing you with the power you need to get the job done quickly and efficiently. This battery keeps working even in cold weather, down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. You can rely on it in any condition. The LED charge status display keeps you informed about its charge level. No more guessing. It charges fully in just 75 minutes with the included fast charger. Get back to work faster. The fan-cooled fast charger helps it cool down quickly, reducing charging time and extending its lifespan. What we like. It boasts a fast charging time and works well in cold weather. If you value fast charging and need a battery that performs reliably in cold temperatures, this is ideal. This is a great option if you need to minimize downtime between charges. Number 1. DEWALT DCB609G Flexvolt Battery. This is the DEWALT DCB609G 20V 60V Max Flexvolt Battery. It's designed to maximize runtime for your 20V Max tools and is also compatible with high-performance 60V Max tools. Get more work done with its 9.0 Ah capacity. It provides significantly longer runtime compared to standard batteries. It features a convenient 3 LED fuel gauge. This lets you easily monitor the remaining charge at a glance. This versatile battery works with all DEWALT and Mac Tools 20V Max tools and chargers. It's a great addition to any professional's toolkit. It's built tough to withstand harsh job site conditions. It's designed to resist damage from oils, grease, and solvents. Experience the ultimate combination of power and endurance. This battery is built to last, even in the toughest environments. What we like. It's highly compatible and resists damage from oils and grease. If you work in tough conditions and need a durable, versatile battery, this is the one for you. Consider this if you need a reliable power source that can withstand exposure to harsh environments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.